Keem team, what it do? Welcome to Keem's Garage. I'm your host, Keem the new kid, back at y'all with one more video. I just had a stressful fucking event. I need a spirited drive. I don't care if this is a shit box. I need to drive this bitch fast. So I'm headed to a bookstore.
Right here in front of Barney's and Nobly, nigga. Every day.
Let me turn this light off. It's not even doing much. Nigga, I'm taking this right turn. Fuck the bullshit. About to head to Barnes & Noble. I don't blame that nigga. You dumbass for just sitting there like that. I cannot wait to get onto the on-ramp and just punch that motherfucker. Just punch the fucking gas. Full gas it. Oh my gosh, I need to rent a sports car. Like now, bro. Like I need the thrill of going fast. I need the excitement. This shit fucking blows. Alright, nobody gonna let me go, obviously. That E-Class look pretty clean, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, we good. That highway better not be fucking backed up like a bitch. I swear to God, nigga. And you know what? It probably is. Bro, I'm literally about to just drive this bitch to the max. I'm still paying it off, but if it blows up, it blows up. Fuck it. Let him repossess this bitch. That's supposed to be a punishment. I don't want this piece of shit anyway. Yo, I'm so sorry y'all gotta hear me in this tone of voice. Nigga, what you wanna do? Oh, I swear, if you was about to cut me off, nigga. See, look at you. Stupid malaka. About to hit some fucking body.
Stupid malaka!
Anyway, I'm sorry y'all gotta hear me like this. I'm just in a bad mood. And I need to make a video just for the sake of making a video. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yo, are we gonna go or are we just gonna sit here and waste people's time? Thank you. I might not even edit this video. I might just leave this bitch uncut. Those aftermarket headlights look pretty tacky. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, why are we sitting at a green light? I don't know why I'm clapping while I'm talking. Is that in the Barth? Hell no. Regular ass Fiat 500, automatic. You stupid ass bitch, you better not back into me. Your reverse lights don't even come on. Oh my God, bro. I hate driving on this road. It's just stop, go, stop, go. Gets on my fucking nerves, bro. I really hope the highway's not like that. Please don't make me miss the light. Alright, we chilling. Yo, please do not let me be stuck behind somebody slow on the highway. I really need to get this shit out of my system, dog. I really need to. Oh my gosh. Look at him using his phone while doing shit. Just a couple minutes away. Whose car did I just hear? Oh my gosh. There's no room for you to make that right. I don't want you looking at me no crazy kind of way. If you really that impatient, use that 4-wheel drive and that raggedy ass Infinity and climb the sidewalk. Dumbass nigga, I didn't tell you to buy an Infinity. I hate Infinity owners. Oh my goodness.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Yeah, what should I title this video? Christmas Eve spirited drive with commentary. Or Christmas Eve night spirited drive with commentary. I don't know, bro. It's some bullshit. Alright, here we go. Route 24. I'm finna hit this apex hard than a bitch. Oh yeah. Why are you stopping on a merge? Why are you stopping on a merge? Ooh, you hear all that shit in the back, sliding and gliding, slipping on semen?
To fight some nigga in the bathroom, no homo, we slipping on semen.
I'm sorry, I got... Yo, my foot is to the floor. Come on, Lexus. Either drive faster or move the fuck out the way. It's not rocket science. Can I move around him? Of course I can. Oh my gosh. See, this is what people don't understand about the highway. Right? Yes, you are passing people. But there's no set speed limit in a passing lane. It's for you to pass traffic. Oh, I got a hiccup. It's for you to pass traffic at whatever speed you feel is efficient. Who are you to correct me on what speed is efficient for me? I was about to say, you better not cut me off. We was finna have an issue. Oh, is this one of them salt trucks? Bro, I just washed my shit, bro. All right, 2.3 miles, and then we're on I-93. Hopefully things clear up, but at this time, who knows? Actually, 5 o'clock, maybe people have just gotten off of work. It's unlikely people are at this point in the highway. Oh my gosh. Yo, the whole right lane is wide open. Base model BMW trying to prove, oh, that's a vanity plate, Normandy. Fucking entry level 15-year-old BMW trying to prove he's speed demon. Like you're faster than a Ford shitbox. What, you want a medal? You want a cookie? I hate when people do shit like that. Like, bro, I'm in a Ford van. You're supposed to be faster than me. Yo, come on, Audi, pick a lane. All right. Oh, I'm throwing this bitch through this corner. Oh my gosh. Ooh, never mind, never mind, never mind. I gotta hit this apex hard than a bitch. This body roll is crazy. I never pushed this bitch like that. Yo, hold on. Yo, nah, this shit crazy. Nah, I needed that. I never went through that corner like that. Yo, I felt that bitch scrape the ground. Yo, I felt the bumper scrape the ground. The body roll in this bitch, yo. I never felt that shit before, bro. Oh my God, yo, I thought my shit was about to flip over. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yo, that shit was mad fun. Oh my God, I instantly feel better. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I might never take a corner like that again. Nah, I might throw my suspension out like crazy. Yo, Dodge Hornet, you gotta move out the way, bro. Look at you swaying in the lane, man. Can't even keep it in the middle. Yeah, nigga, that's my amusement for the next, I don't fucking know. Oh man, it's gonna be fun putting this video together. Yo, I felt something scrape something. I don't know if it was like the lip scraping the road, or if it was the tire rubbing against the wheel well. I don't know what that was, but that shit was going crazy. Oh yeah, I might have to, you know what I'm saying? And then I might have to, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna have to, you know what I'm saying? I wonder what happens if I just coast from here. Is anyone behind me? Nah. Oh, I can't coast. Now I could coast. I feel like the engine's a little hotter than usual, looking at the gauges. I don't know, the coolant or the oil. I don't know what that temperature is for, if it's for the coolant or the oil. But god damn, that was fun. Ooh, I needed that. Oh man, it's gonna be fun as fuck editing that video. Oh man, yo, they want me to go up there and do all that loop-de-loop and pull. Man, this is what I'm finna do. Right into this bitch, going through the fucking plaza. Now here I gotta slow down, cause like there's people crossing. Yeah, like I'm already on the brakes, prepared to stop for these two people right here, but it doesn't look like they're crossing. And there's a stop sign right here. Stop sign.
Huh? I'm about to.
What?
I'm about to tell you.
Stop, son.
Probably looking at me like, why this nigga got a camera on his face? Mind your damn business. Alright, we don't need Waze no more. We coolin'. Just like that, we are at the Barnay's and Nobly, nigga.
Came in here and got all your books, nigga. Everything, nigga. You know what I mean?
Everything.
Yo, fuck this book.
Can I just pull into one of these bitches? Yes, I can. Oh, man. Nice and easy. Listen to that shit rattling. Oh, man. I ain't gonna lie, that trip was probably about, 14 miles tops? I started at like 409 with the range. I'm at 367.
Man, what the fuck is you talking about?
What the fuck was that?
I'm sorry, man.
I can't believe I almost just did that. Anyway, if you guys like what you see, make sure you hit the like button, comment down below if you're new, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, drive safe, and take care.